Do you want to start importing from China but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, what is China importation or what is importation? Importation simply means bringing goods or services from another country into your own country for use, sale, or trade. For example, if someone in Nigeria buys clothes, phones, or electronics from China and ships them to Nigeria to sell, that is importation. Businesses do this to access cheaper products, unique items not available locally, or to make profits. So the iPhones you use are imported, and majority of the goods we use in Nigeria are imported from China. In Nigeria, most people call China importation mini importation, and as a beginner that does not have a lot of capital to buy goods from China, it is advisable you start with mini importation. First off, what is mini importation? Mini importation is the practice of importing small quantities of product, think 10 units, 100 units, to test, sell, or validate demand. That is to confirm that people actually want to buy the product you plan to sell before you invest a lot of money to buy that product and ship it down to Nigeria. Now, it is low risk, it is budget friendly, and it is your fastest route to earning your first profit without big capital. Now, why start mini importation? It is low risk. You are testing with small orders. So, if something goes wrong, it is not a disaster. It is a fast feedback loop. That is, you can go from product idea to sales within a few weeks. Then you gain experience fast. Every shipment teaches you something: shipping, customs, pricing, marketing. That means you learn on the job. You learn by implementing, by buying from China, by going through the importation processes, and you gain experience from participating in the processes. Now, what will you learn in this series? You will learn how to find products that actually sell, how to spot trustworthy suppliers. You learn how to safely make your first purchase and ship it. You learn how to get your goods into customers' hands and start selling. You also be learning product ideas, that is, finding low risk products that have high demand. You also be learning sourcing, how to choose from platforms like Alibaba, 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao without getting scammed. You also be learning how to ship and sell your product. You also be learning how to buy directly from manufacturers or suppliers by yourself. If you are ready to do your first imports and subsequent imports the right way, then follow this account or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the series about China importation. See you in the next video.